Cantilever rack is recommended for applications where load sizes are long, bulky, or when there is inconsistency from one load to the next. Cantilever rack consists of upright columns that support the arms. The vertically adjustable arms are bolted to the columns and can be angled for load retention. In conjunction with the column, the horizontal base provides stability to the structure and supports the bottom load. Cantilever rack is designed for single and double-sided column use. Cantilever rack is a low-density, high-selectivity storage system. Every pallet location, row, bin, and tier is always accessible to a lift truck without prior removal or relocation of another unit load, therefore eliminating any re-warehousing of product. An aisle must front every storage location, so storage density is maximized within a cantilever rack structure by positioning rows back-to-back, double-sided, or single-sided against a wall. A variety of interface equipment such as side loaders, overhead stacker cranes, and automated storage and retrieval systems can be used to access the rack structure. Interfacing with cantilever rack is ideal due to the absence of aisle uprights or intervening columns. Different size loads can be stored on the same level along the entire length of the rack structure. Industry load applications include, but are not limited to, carpet rolls, textiles, lumber, furniture, large automotive parts, and piping or tubing.